zone back, scout.
Okay, ako na.
This is gonna be difficult, guys, Gourmet Guild plus Rotunda GP. They are already T9 gears hitting heavy, so we need to be on point, especially if we go to V1.
Tatlong blob na dito.
Hopefully,
Doon, narinig mo na yung boots.
Nagbaliktad na 20, mas una na sila nakapwesto ngayon.
okay lang. So, is NW here on the comms? Is NW here on the comms?
And most likely, 20, we don't
Okay.
know asa nakapwesto yung bombers
Okay,
nila.
so ganito ang mangyayari, Crypto. As much as possible, fight Rotonda GP. We're gonna fight Gourmet Guild, okay? There are also off-tag, so that's gonna be our macro, If you need,
Bomb
if you need, just let us know if let us know if talagang hindi nyo na kaya. Okay?
Bomb squad is at north. Bomb squad is at north.
Nakazone na kami 20.
Bomb squad is at north.
Yeah,
west, or
just fight Rotonda. That's your objective. We're gonna fight Gourmet Guild. My party, okay? If anyone is coming outside my party, please go to help NWO instead. Because you're gonna be playing red with us. It's gonna be difficult for us to move, okay? Please, if you're off, may start charge ka na, Tara, everyone zone back, zone back.
Nandito lang.
Can you fight now, are you ready now, Crypto? Can we fight now?
Gago, di ko nandala. Baliw ka.
Find Gourmet Guild for me.
Gourmet Guild somewhere in northwest.
Yan, kukulangan. Promise.
Okay, find Gourmet Guild.
Di na ako nag-blood letter. Di durable to ng
DD Blab DD Blab at Northwest 20.
Yeah, find anyone. Find Gourmet Guild.
Rotonda GP, sila yun nasa HO.
HO. Don't get baited, Don't get baited, my party.
Gourmet Guild.
Shit, we can fight them in the group thing. Don't worry. If they go, Rotonda, are you ready? Rotonda, are you ready? Crypto, are you ready? Your party?
Ba't
Hello?
pinagkastusan na nila to?
Boss 20, I think they're here. Nawala yung gusto dungeon dito, Boss 20.
Yeah, come
Lucky
southwest with me.
Nawala yung solo dungeon dito.
Yeah, come southwest. I'm waiting for NWO. I can't move without NWO. It's gonna be a 2v1 fight.
That pala, nagpamas din ako.
Dito, Boss 20,
okay.
nawala yung solo dungeon.
Solo dungeon dito.
Okay,
Dito.
here's what we're gonna do, Here's what we're gonna do in Crypto, We're gonna start fight with Rotonda. Okay, if Gourmet Guild moves out, we're gonna move to them, okay? We're gonna continue fighting Rotonda, okay? Can you hold that? Crypto?
Can I scout lang ako dito, Boss 20? Nawala yung blood
Sila
dito,
ang scout yun.
Okay. We're gonna be here. We're gonna get sandwiched by Rotonda and guys, please be alert.
Testudo. May testudo dito, testudo.
Spread, guys, spread.
Boss 20, again dito nawala yung solo dungeon.
I'm aware. Thank you. Just keep scouting that. I'm waiting for NWO.
20, we need natin ma-pinpoint yung saan manggagaling yung bomb squad nila.
Deftanks, please be alert, please. Deftanks, try to hold them, You already OC'd, We're gonna double OC later on. Please be alert on your timers. Okay?
20, ask mo daw sa kabilang party if may extra row snapper sila. Isa lang.
Pre, ngayon pa tayo magpapatrain. Okay na, wala tayong magagawa
Double food ako.
Asian tuloy. Test, try to catch up, Very important.
Ito, naghintay na lang ako dito.
From CO?
2 minutes. 1 minute. Yeah, it's you.
And come someone southeast. Come southeast. Let's catch those those groups sa CO. Shit, we're getting 3v1, 4v1. 4v2, I mean, sorry.
Shit, sana pala.
10 minutes, guys. NW, where are you? We're waiting on you. That's NWO. Let's start the fight. We're gonna fight because they're gonna have a hard time regearing. So hopefully we win the fight. NW, please hold Rotonda, okay? We're gonna try to hold. Guys, please listen to my call. We're gonna try to fight this, okay? We're gonna play macro.
Parang mga mercenary nandito, Iba-iba guild.
Pre, quality pa din yan.
Kaya, Mercenary ko lang, guys.
It's not about
Smoke and you find the crown. Smoke and you find the crown. Spread muna tayo. We're
Dito
waiting
lang ako,
for...
Boss 20. Dito lang ako, Boss 20.
Hindi, wag na. Makikita naman natin if they blob eh. Just be alert on the map, ha. Spread, please, spread. Death tanks, please be alert. Balikan na dito, Aisha. Ano. Please, guys, don't let us get bombed out. Please watch for any reds.
Boss 20, there's blob here, ah. Notice.
Yeah, we're gonna fight. Let's fight Rotonda now. Let's fight Rotonda now. Everyone, food up, pussy, food up, pussy, food up, pussy. Walk up, walk up, walk up, walk up, walk up. You can fight Rotonda. You can fight Rotonda. Walk up, walk up, walk up, walk up. Walk up. Spread us,
Boss
spread
20, nagsilabasan na.
Okay,
Silabas.
NW. Get Rotonda. Get Rotonda. Come southwest, everyone. Come southwest. Come southwest.
Yes, sir,
Come
yes, sir.
south. Yeah, come south.
Looking, looking.
Spread. Yo, he's on the front. Inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Itong truck nila.
Dismounted, Boss 20, dismounted.
Okay, come south. Cross. Never mind, come north. Cross Rotonda. Come north, cross Rotonda. North Rotonda. Help on the south. Help south. Everyone, help south, cross. Help south, cross. Keep coming north. Yeah, keep coming north to Rotonda. Keep coming north to Rotonda. Heels on the back, please. Heels on the south. Keep coming north to Rotonda. NW, engage shot, ha. Help that. We're gonna engage inside of us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of the ground. Come north after engage. Come north after you engage. Play inside. Roll inside of Rotonda. He's on the front, please. Keep coming to Rotonda. Spread that. They're gonna engage. They're gonna be looking. Pats, help everyone. 5 seconds to have engage. 5 seconds to have engage, everyone. 5 seconds, everyone. Look at the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. Delete that. Can you delete that? Shit, wala si Test. Everyone, keep coming north. Roll them. Spread west, ha. Keep coming north, spread west. Bobo to Rotonda, sige. Keep coming north. After we deal with this, we'll deal with Gourmet. After this, we'll deal with Gourmet. Everyone looks out. Spread. Okay, everyone, inside of the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown. Everyone, crown. Come north, come south. This is Gourmet Guild south. Come south. Walk with them south. Get ready. They're gonna be looking. Brawl team is out. Brawl south. Walk up. Hold them on the choke. Do we have engage? Engage. I know. Fake a loo. Help. Oh, everyone looks out. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the front. Their front. Come walking south. Keep walking south. Spread, guys. Spread. They have already engaged. Mauna cooldown nila. Cooldowns are gonna be up. Their cooldowns are gonna be up. Use some bread on the front. Spread. Get ready to absorb on this choke. Get ready to absorb on this choke. They're gonna be turning. Careful. Spread. Careful. They're gonna be looking. Take. Wait. It's Lou. You have cooldowns. Nice one. That's their defense. Everyone look at the crown. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Come west. Kill that Mockingjay. Nice one. Spread west. Help on the front. West muna. Stabilize. Brawl those inside of us. Lamang tayo sa brawl, everyone. We're up in the brawling. Everyone walk east. Careful. Night helmets if you need. Careful, they're gonna be looking. They engaged. We're gonna engage on the front. On the choke. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Choke. Keep walking south. Keep walking those slow. Keep rolling those slow. Spread. Help those. I'm gonna duty in the front. We're gonna duty in the front. Adastra, yo. Pats inside. Come south. Walk south, everyone. Walk south. Yo, you're getting low. Wala na tayong DPS. Come north. Turn north. Get ready. Look at the crown, ha. We're gonna engage shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt this. Can you headbutt? Everyone bounce.
Palot ako, pre.
Wala.
Ilang.
Babalik ako, Benji. Babalik ako. Regular ako, wait lang.
Yeah.
Oh, kala ko panalo na ito. Anong nangyari?
Mag-regular ako, wait lang. Ulit.
It's too late for us to come back. You're gonna take time at least 10 to 15 minutes for everyone to take charges again.
Hindi na babalik.
I think it's a GG. I'll call GG for this fight.
GG. Pero ang ganda nung ibang engage na.
Ayaw niya na? Ayaw niya na ba?
I mean, pwede pa naman ako mag-regular. Madami naman ako
I can still mass for tomorrow. Few more people. I just need help in completing the party. I see everyone was doing good earlier on our fight. Okay. It's just that I think they called in alliance. They doubled their numbers. We were already winning. We were just not finishing. Wala si